to send your child in private school, it's very good, but you have to check your earnings, how much you earn. So sometimes don't compare yourself with other people. Yes, because you want your child to have a good education, but you have to check your pocket first, because sometimes you can be failed, especially you send your child even is in grade R, grade 1. That child, maybe she is too young to be in private school, and you know that that money you can be strangled to pay the school fees, but you have to check your pocket. Other people, they are rich, that's why they send their kids in grade 1, grade R in private school. There is no problem, but don't compare yourself with other people. You have to check your pocket, especially your child is very young. You know that maybe at secondary school, you know that child maybe is going to write matrix. Is better because that child is a grow up, because it, guys, it doesn't make any sense you send your child in private school grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and in grade 4 you that child go back in public school. It doesn't make any sense. So you have to know your earnings, how much you earn, or you have got a good business can bring a good income into your pocket. Is better than to compare yourself, because you want people to saw your child is in private school, but you know that you don't afford. Even at end of the month, sometimes you have got many credits, you don't pay other school fees, you are owing the school. So sometimes you have to know that, guys, you know that it's, you have to take a decision before you send that child in grade R, grade 1 in private school. You have to check your pocket to take a good decision, that you have to that money, guys, until that child is writing the matrix, is better. You understand? But when you know that you can't afford very good, because sometimes we have got a good deal, maybe at that time it's a short time, you have got a lot of money, you don't have a place to stay, you are sending your child in private school, you are renting a house, you are renting a full house or a 7-room house, you are sending a child in private school. So that child is still young. So sometimes you have to know your budget. Then we want people to show you that, I want people to show me that I am in high class. Even to stay in a full house, why are you renting a full house? Maybe you have got a one child or two kids, but you are renting 7-room house for what? For what, guys? Because you want people to show you are in high class. It's better to stay in one room, but you are saving money to build a house. Is better. Even to send a child in private school in grade 1, grade R, sometimes we have to stop it. If you know that you don't have a place to stay, it's better to send that child. Maybe that child is in secondary school. It's better.